Hi, and welcome to our journey to our French homestead. It's the end of July and we are on our way to France. As we are searching for our dream homestead in France to settle and to be more self-sufficient, it was time again to view some properties. This is not the first time looking for houses. I think we are in the process of it for around 1.5 years now. We have recently sold our house, and now it's much easier for us to buy a house if we find the perfect match. Regions such as Bourgogne, Auvergne and the south of Cher are options. We cannot show you the actual properties we are going to visit due to privacy of the houses, but we can show you around driving through the beautiful countryside. It almost feels like home, and we can't wait to come across our house. In our small Tour de France this time, we stayed for a night in a cozy B&B in Châteaumeillan. Of all the houses we have visited, there was one house in particular that we got very excited about. Could it become our future homestead? Maybe. Follow our videos and who knows, maybe we can tell you more in the next vlog. Au revoir!